Setting.
Recording?
I don't know. Yes, it is.
So I don't even know what I'm calling the thing. Like roaming around Southern and Sweet Tea, or
It don't matter. Just talk. This is just a practice video.
I know. I just need something.
You're too far away for one. You need to be like super close.
Right. Okay. Oh, we have to be close? I thought it was like wide.
It is. So that means you're gonna be like this big in the video.
I am about this big. Okay. So this is Southern and Sweet Tea, and no, I'm Southern and Sweet Tea. How do you say that?
Yeah, it's still too wide.
Too wide?
You need to be closer. You can see like this whole box
Oh,
and this light.
my lid.
Closer. Closer. Okay. You still recording?
Yeah. I think
Okay.
so. Okay. Is it going to be able to get both of us with
It's like
how tall you are?
it's getting that box back there. That's how wide
It's
it
gonna get
is.
everything that over and back. Everything. It's 360 degrees.
Okay.
So you're getting half of that. You're probably getting that light in it.
I moved it back just part.
Okay.
Okay.
We're learning how to use this video and how to
Video.
equipment. Anyway. Hi, Southern and Sweet Tea. This is Matt with BleepinTea. We're roaming around, surprising people, giving them a chance to talk about themselves. So what do you got to say about yourself?
I'm pretty boring. For the most part, I'm a hermit. I stay in my house or in my shop and don't speak to anybody. Ain't that right?
Right, until you post it, and then it's like thousands of people. Me, I talk to everyone, and then they'll post anything. So, what is your favorite thing about doing YouTube videos?
I like the fact that I can teach people all over the world how to do something without having to have a huge class. You know, used to be if you wanted to teach people something, you had to get a big auditorium or a classroom and bring people in and teach them something. But now I can be in the privacy of my own shop, do what I want to do, and still help people across the globe and teach, you know, as many as 1 million people with one video.
It's pretty neat. It's neat that you have the knowledge and you're willing to share it. Knowledge is something you just can't buy on the store shelf. It's something earned, and you've definitely got a lot of knowledge. I think it's very fun just hanging out with you and learning different things. And
I don't have the knowledge. I have to YouTube the knowledge before I share the knowledge.
Okay, well, just sometimes knowing how to get the knowledge is knowledge.
Right?
Okay, so what is the coolest thing one of your fans have sent you during this process? What would you say was one of your favorite things?
Probably the cup that David Cadenhead first sent me, the
nice.
Dr. Pepper cup. Dr. Pepper cup. I saw that in my truck just yesterday and thought, I need to clean that out and use it some more.
Yeah, if we showed them some
It's
of
still
your
in there
dirty
from the
little
trail to SEMA.
Lord.
I need to use it again.
Between that and your Amazon habit.
I haven't even, my truck's been sitting there since I got back in November, I guess it was.
I know that feeling. The show circuit can just wear you out. When you finally get home, you're just done. My brain is done. We've been traveling from California to Florida to Pennsylvania to a little bit of West Virginia, and now we're here in Tennessee with Matt and his family. We're really good friends and it's fun to hang out, but I harassed him a little bit and told him I needed help on starting my videos out, and he's kind of my go-to friend for that. No!
Does this help?
You're evil. So you've gotten a cup. I know you've gotten a cool sticker, a duck butt sticker from David. back wall. Let's show that a little bit. That's pretty cool. Makes it look very professional.
Ramsey from Ramsey Customs on YouTube actually made that sign, and it's really cool. It's like a candy coated.
Did it die? Is it not recording now?
It's recording.
Oh.
It shuts off.
Okay. Well, I couldn't see it.
So it's like a candy coated color, and then my dad and I actually made the wall and decorated this wall and this wall when he came and visited. Every summer we usually have a project that we do, and this was a project that we did one year. Show them that wall now.
Ooh, actually organized. Looks nice. Very nice. And we have Lilo, the Jeep dog, scratching Lilo.
And Hope just got me this for my birthday the other day. It's an addition.
Oh, it did get bigger, yeah.
So this is the normal toolbox, and then you just hang this off the side. Add more space.
Pretty neat. Oh, some of my junk is still here. I put this up here whenever we went and explored the junkyard.
You need to talk louder.
Talk louder.
Yeah.
And some of my welding. Hey!
I don't think she understands that this is a wide angle lens.
It feels
Needs
like
to be like right here.
It's like right in my face. And then there's my junk bucket that I found at the junkyard. Southern and Sweet Tea. So we went over some of the things, why you do it, and some of the favorite things you've gotten from it. What is your favorite place to date that you've been wheeling?
Sand Hollow, I think, is my favorite place. You can drive anywhere you want to. Scenery is beautiful, and it has a lot of cool obstacles.
Okay. Where's Sand Hollow out of, for the people who don't know? And I know everybody's probably Googling it now.
Sand Hollow is in southwestern Utah, the very corner, about an hour and a half from Las Vegas.
Oh, okay. I didn't know where Sand Hollow was. I hadn't been there yet. On the list.
Where is Sand Hollow at for all people that don't know? Because I don't know.
I don't know. That's the cool way of finding out knowledge.
That's going to be the best part of the video right there.
Okay. Well, is there anything else you'd like to share?
Hello.
A lot of this is going to get clipped out. I don't know.
No, I don't think so. What? What do you want me to share?
I don't know.
This is the Comanche.
Yeah, there you go.
And there's the Scorpion over there. I got them both in the shop because I cleaned it out.
It actually fits. And he does actually work and video in his real shop. It's not a TV studio or anything like that. It's him and his place and thing.
This is a television studio. Didn't you see the television lights?
I know you're all Mr. Professional. Why? Now you know why I came to you for help with my first video.
There you go.
Gosh, we just grew up a whole bunch. Hey, I'm used to being little.
You're
It's
the size
okay.
of her
I'm the size of
when
her.
it's way back here.
This is Lilo. She goes out on Jeep stuff. We have a lot of Jeeps right now, don't we? We're taking up your yard.
I'm about to call the scrapper.
He's currently babysitting 2 of my Jeeps.
There's a guy down the street that scraps metal, and I told him, come on by.
Yeah, we could probably take plenty of stuff out of the shop, not my Jeeps. Hey y'all. No, I didn't hit him with the brick. And no, he didn't get rid of my Jeeps. Sorry the video just abruptly ended. I guess the camera was done, or we just don't really know how to use it yet. I appreciate you watching. I can't wait to make better videos in the future. And hopefully I'll see you out on the trail wheeling soon. Take care. Bye.